In Friuli Venezia Giulia, the gender pay gap has not decreased, as women earn 30% less than their male counterparts. A report by the INPS shows that women are more educated but earn less, work more part-time jobs, but receive smaller pensions. As the population ages, experts warn that without real action, the gap will grow. Opinion and your experience on the gender pay gap in Italy?
Okay, I think that in Italy it depends on the job you get. So for instance, if you are a waiter or a waitress, it's almost the same amount you get, no? And for example, I'm a teacher and it's the same, but it depends on the job. So if maybe, I don't know, you are with accountability on stuff like that, maybe it's a little bit different. And I hope everything will change and we should have all the same amount of money, all the same, no gap.
I think clearly that the gap, the difference between the incomes are astonishing and obviously is not something that's not working.
I think more women are starting to call back their power and are starting to say no to this situation. And I think the amount of working women is increasing any day.
Secondo me le donne ancora sottopagate, non vengono, diciamo, valorizzate come dovrebbero.
Beh, nel passato questo è un fenomeno molto più evidente, tuttora presente. Tuttavia devo dire la verità che io lavoro in una multinazionale che è molto impegnata su questo e il gap di differenza tra uomo e donna si sta fortemente assottigliando. È un lavoro veramente immenso, ma veramente sta portando i suoi frutti.